Here is how you can make a strong, quick, and easy flip-flop or accordion journal with hard covers. I'm using 140 pound, or 300 GSM, watercolor paper, and two 5x7 canvas-covered panels. The inexpensive paper and panels came from the craft section of Walmart. I'm sure Amazon can also ship them to you, unless you live under a rock without an address. I trimmed the paper down to 6 3/4 inch squares to fit within the panels. Then I scored 2 inches in to create the tuck spot joins. I've inked all the edges to make it easier for you to see them. I prefer Fabri-Tac glue, but you may use any strong permanent glue. Make sure it won't dissolve if you plan to use watercolor paints, which I am planning to use. Glue the first page to the inside of the cover. Align it as best as you can. It's doubtful the paper and panel are perfect. You will add the next page with a 180-degree turn. To attach it, glue the 3 sides, which will form a tuck spot when in place. Again, nothing is perfect, just align it as best as you can, making sure it looks square to the page below. Make any adjustments while the glue is still wet. That's all there is to this. Add as many pages as you want, keeping in mind when you start to work in the journal it will grow. Until you add the back cover, you can still add more pages. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments.